Hi, I'm Albert from IT Fix-It, and today we're going to unbox the Elgato portable capture card, model HD60S Plus. The plan is, after we unbox it, we're going to connect it to the PlayStation and show it working. And then the plan after that is to connect it to a PC. So here we go. This is the box. Compatible with Windows and Mac, as we can see, like the label. Just quickly unbox it. Pretty hard to come out. Okay, here we go. So here's what we got. We've got the capture card itself, the portable capture card. We've got a HDMI cable, and we've got a USB cable to charge the device for its power and for capturing the data. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. There's a sticker, I guess, and a small warranty card, I assume. Not a small manual. Okay. So what we're doing now is that we're going to set up the PlayStation to use the capture card. Elgato recommends we turn off one of the settings. We haven't set up anything yet. You keep the PlayStation connected to your TV and you go to settings, then you go down all the way to system and you disable HDCP. Elgato recommends that you do this. Okay, now we're going to show you how to connect it all up. So now we're planning to connect the capture card to the PlayStation 4. The first step is to use the existing cable, the HDMI cable that is connected to the PlayStation. That was going into the TV. You unplug it from the TV and you plug it in to the input. The input right here. So this cable you're expected to already have it. You plug it into the input. Okay, now the other side, the output, you use the cable that was supplied by the Elgato. So we just simply connect it to the output. And now this side now goes to the TV. We're going to plug this in right now quickly to the TV. You're not really going to see it on the camera. I'll just quickly connect it to the TV. Okay, now the next step is to give power to the capture card. The way to do this is to use the cable supplied by Elgato, the USB cable. The only way for this capture card to get power is through the USB cable. So that means this needs to be connected to a computer. Even if you're just planning to just play without capturing and you have it still connected to your PlayStation, it's fine. It needs to be connected to some sort of power source. And right now I've got a computer here, and that's how I'm going to give it some power. So we connect the USB port and we connect the other side. We connect the other side to a computer. And it has to be USB 3.0. If it's 2.0, the software will definitely complain and say connect it to a 3.0. The way to tell is the ports will be always blue. Even the one on the computer, most of the time. So if we can just lift up the computer really quickly, you'll see the ports are blue, the USB ports that are right there. Okay, so we're going to connect it to USB 3.0. And as I said before, this will give the unit power. The next step in the process after we have it connected successfully to the PlayStation is we download the 4K capture utility from their website. All you need to do is search for Elgato downloads and it will take you to this page, and then download the utility and install it. You just simply click on it and it will install. Once it's installed, you just simply run the utility. There it is there. It's running it now. It's now connecting to the PlayStation. As we can see, we've started a game called Fortnite. And you can start capturing right now. That's about it. Thank you. Just to continue the video, we're now going to connect this Elgato capture card, portable capture card, to a PC. This is it. Wrong way around. Okay, so what we need to do is focus on the input. The input is whatever's coming out of the computer. This computer, we grab the HDMI cable that is coming out of the video card and plug it into the input of the card. That means the monitor generally will turn off when you do this because you're unplugging it from the monitor. So I've already got it here. That's the HDMI. Plug it in. Now we need to power up the card with the USB cable. We connect the USB 3.0. Yeah, see how it's blue? We connect it to the computer. It has to be 3.0 as well. It has to be blue on the laptop or the computer as well, or it will not work. The software will complain. We've connected it. We connect it to the device. And as you can see, it should light up now because it's giving it power. It's now getting power from the computer. And as we can see, it is now being captured with their software. The software is a 4K utility software. We can now simply capture the video from the computer.